Homemade kite thread winder. This is my second invention. So first, I have to prepare two identical pieces of wood, marking 8 inches. Eight inches long, two pieces of wood. Marking the center and 2 centimeters both the sides. Then I cut 2 sets on the wood. Actually, I'm not a carpenter. I made these 2 sets very carefully. Always be careful. Okay. It came like this. I needed to join them like this as a cross. Normally it looks like this, but not yet finished. Then I smoothened them. Those cuts came like this. See, they are okay now. I could do it well. See, after fixing it, it looks like this. The cross joint came like this. It is good. Now I am going to make another set. Making this set is a little difficult because I have to drill to end of other side. The set looks like this. I have to prepare 4 sets on 2 pieces of wood. It takes time. And be careful always. See, I made 4 sets. Preparing little by little, step by step. Now you can understand how it comes. Now smoothing. Have to prepare 4 sets like this. Now you can see 120 gauge sandpaper. I used that sandpaper to smooth my 4 sets. Sanding by hand, it takes time. And we must be careful. I have to complete 4 sets on 2 pieces of wood like this. Now you can see it is smooth now. Okay, now it is time to paste. Actually it takes 1 day. See, this is the final look. See, it works like this. This is the center of the kite thread winder. Now I am going to insert a small bearing into the middle point and both the sides. See, after inserting 2 bearings into the kite thread winder, it looks like this.
This aluminium part I made by using this piece of aluminum. So it has 3 activities in my project. This hole is for main shaft, like this, and this is for thread controller. This is for thread control, this hole, and this is handle. So 3 in 1. This part has 3 activities. So okay, let's assemble it like this. I did not show how this make step by step because my video gets so long. That's why you can understand how I made this. This is very simple, cutting here and bending here and drilling only this. It's very simple to make. You can understand how this